Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Logitech G432 with application. You have to start by open Logitech application, and now you need to use USB adapter to connect your headphones to the PC. So I just did it, and you should connect to USB-A port. We did it, and now we can see our headphones. So just click on it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!